płynne przejście. Myk, witam serdecznie, jestem Niklaus, to jest trzeci epizod gry The Walking Dead, czyli Chodząca Śmierć. Epizod trzeci, Above the Law, Shocking Development Drive a Wedge Between Brothers in Arms, czyli będzie dymy, w skrócie. Gra po angielsku, bo spolszczenia jeszcze nie ma i zapewne nie będzie przez długi czas, bo z tego co wiem, to poprzednie epizody 2 też nie są jeszcze. Jak to się mówi? Spolszczone, spolonizowane? Spolszczone. Dobrze, grajmy. Start epizod 3. Teraz będzie co było wcześniej, bo ja też nie pamiętam. Kompletnie nie pamiętam, bo to jest właśnie głupie, że to jest tak długo pomiędzy tymi epizodami i to już człowiek potem się traci w tym, co się dzieje. No. Mogłyby wychodzić jakoś tak gęściej, częściej.
Previously on The Walking Dead.
You don't have to fill his cup up anymore, baby. Grandpa is sleeping.
Dziadek kojfnął,
No, Yaya.
ale przeżył.
People's awake.
Solamente está confundido.
Mama!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Estoy cantando.
Hey!
Put your hands up and close your eyes.
W ogóle tego nie pamiętam.
Thanks.
Mari!
To pamiętam.
Shit!
Kate!
Tys.
Javi, don't!
Wyjątkowo mało dynamiki jest w tych wspomnieniach, nie? Tak jakoś
What do we call you?
strasznie to jest takie
Sorry, forgot to introduce myself.
bez emocji jakieś.
It's Paul, but my friends call me Jesus.
Jesus. Guess why?
I fucking knew it.
You're one of them?
You're goddamn right she is.
A, i wyszło, że my
You
są...
wanna shoot me?
że my są ten...
Shoot me.
My są...
How about
my
I
są
shoot your little boyfriend here instead?
I'm sorry, Clem.
No ja tu zrobiłem coś takiego. Co w sumie źle zrobiłem chyba trochę. Znaczy źle, no. Taka decyzja była moja.
What the hell's going on out here?
I to jest brat ode mnie.
Oh my god.
Znaczy... Tak, brat? Nie. Tak, brat. Dobrze gadam. The game series adapts to the choices you make. The story is tailored by how you play. To jest tak nie do końca prawda, to jest takie wszystko, wiecie, grubymi nićmi szyte.
I hate being out so close to dark. It's harder to see them coming.
We're just gonna get that
Szwagier,
propane
tak.
and then come right back.
I saw it in that pickup truck parked down the road a little.
A to jest jakieś
In
te,
front of the Wallace's house.
to jest jakieś
I just
cofnięcie
wish
w
there
czasie.
was an easier way to get it. And that we didn't have to risk life and limb.
Będziemy...
Damn
A,
day.
ryzykujemy wszystko.
Nothing's easy anymore, Kate. But that doesn't mean we don't have to try.
I know. It's just hard to get used to. That's all.
We get over there, we grab the tank, and we get the hell back home. If we're lucky, we won't see a single one of those things.
Fingers crossed.
No mówiłem, brat, nie róbcie mi wody z mózgu. Dobrze gadam.
There it is.
Let's take it and go.
Coś się zdupi. Czekajcie, są tu inne opcje, bo ja jestem podejrzliwy. No nie ma.
Empty.
You've got to be fucking kidding me. God damn it!
To my się...
Of course it's empty. Why would we get that lucky?
Dobra,
It's not like
babo,
we needed it or
babo,
anything.
szukamy dalej.
Easy, Kate. Maybe there's something else we can use in there.
Yeah, okay, maybe. But we came out here for that tank. I just thought... This one time, we deserve to catch a fucking break.
Nieważne w sumie, taki jestem prymitywny. Babo! Pomóż! Gówniak!
Kate, you're a hammer now!
Oh god. That's... I'm sorry. I was just so fucking scared.
You froze. It's okay.
I wanted to kill it. I really did, but I know him. That was one of Gabe's friends. Drew. He was so sweet.
Drude gówniak.
Always had a smile on his face.
Dobra, tam nie świruj.
That's
Ariana.
not Drew anymore. I know, it still looks like him, but the kid you knew, he's gone. All that's left is this thing.
I don't even know what to call them.
To są zombie, proszę pani.
If they're not people, if they're just the dead, muertos.
That's what we'll call them.
I thought we were gonna die. I thought Gabe and Mariana were just gonna
A,
wake
dobra,
up
zagramy
and we would
romantiko.
just be gone.
I'm right here, okay? I'm here.
Taki
You're
jestem,
here. We're
silny,
still alive.
ale romantyczny.
That's what matters.
Szkoda, że ma męża, ale to
Can we go back now?
nie zawsze jest przeszkoda. Wiecie, jak to bywa. Różniście. Gówniak śpi.
I know we all wanted to stay here in the house and wait for David to come back. But it's been 3 months since he drove away with your mom.
What are you saying?
We're not safe here. Not anymore. You and I could have been killed out there. For an empty can.
No to
There's
zdupiamy,
gotta be a
time to
safer
go.
place out there.
So, we'll leave. Go somewhere else. Somewhere safer.
Somewhere with crazy thick walls, okay? And a gate that's 20 feet tall.
You really think the kids are gonna be happy with this plan?
The kids will understand.
My się
And if they don't,
nie
we'll
będziemy
just
dzieci pytać.
make them see it our way. We have to go.
How come? What if I don't want to leave?
O, bo się ciebie
Kate.
ktoś...
We're safe inside the house.
Się ciebie ktoś będzie pytał
And I bet
akurat.
we can find more food in the neighborhood if we just look harder.
Sorry, Gabe. But we're the adults here.
So we
No.
have no say in this at all?
Tak,
It's our call.
We can't stay, Gabe. It's
Gabe,
just getting worse out
gdzie
there.
jest Half-Life 3?
But what about Dad? What's he gonna think if he shows up and we just ditched him? We never
Ojciec
find him again.
by się zgodził,
Your
najlepsze
dad
kłamstwo.
would want us to do this, Gabe. He'd want us to
We've been
survive.
surviving. Here. At home.
Barely.
I'm sorry, Gabe, but Javi's right.
How about you guys go and I stay here?
You're a kid. That's not how it works.
I can take care of myself. If I need any help, I'll just ask my friends.
Jeszcze brakło, żeby powiedział,
Gabe,
nie jestem już dzieckiem.
honey,
Jestem już duży, umiem walczyć z zombie.
What? What's wrong with her? Why's she acting so weird?
Dobra, nie
I'll tell you
interesuj
when you're
się.
older, okay?
Just tell me. I can handle it.
I don't think so.
we can't lie to him, Javi. He needs to know. Your friend, Drew, from down the street, he didn't make it. He turned into one of them. So you understand why, don't you? Why we have to leave? If that happened to you, I couldn't bear it.
Trzeba ci
When do
było
we have to go?
zdupić łeb.
Tomorrow, as soon as it's daylight.
Dead
want to
by.
leave him a note.
I'll help you get started. Okay?
What are we gonna tell him? I want to say something good.
No, że go kochamy,
Something that will make him
wiadomo,
sad.
to najważniejsze.
Just tell him we love him. All of us. And nothing's gonna change that. Not ever.
I like that. I'm gonna write it right now, so we don't forget.
Of course.
I'll help him.
Mamy czas na takie
Thank
rzeczy?
you. Really.
Widocznie mamy. Aha. Tak się właśnie skreśla człowieka ze swojego życia. No ale to taka sytuacja, no nie wiem, nigdy nie byłem w tego. Nigdy nie przeżyłem apokalipsy zombie, to ciężko powiedzieć, jak się człowiek zachowuje wtedy. Niektórzy robią to i bez apokalipsy zombie, nie? Ale... Nie mówimy o przykładach tak zwanego córestwa. Dziwną tą muzykę wymyślili, taką jakąś. Co to ona tam miała? Ej, macie takie wrażenie, że ta muzyka jest jakoś niedopasowana do tego, co się dzieje na ekranie? Tak jakby, tak... Dziwnie to wygląda, nie? Tak nie... Jak to się mówi? Niespójnie. A, oni marihuanę palili w aucie, faktycznie, teraz sobie przypominam. Tak było. Oj, teraz my są w czasie obecnym.
Dad? Javi! Is that really you?
No beka.
I always hoped
To,
I'd
jest,
find you.
to by mi przyszło do głowy, jakbym tam
Never
był.
really thought it happened. Not after all this time.
I can't fucking believe this. It's you.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
I knew you were still alive. I knew it.
Hey, weapons down! This is my family!
You gotta let us in. Kate doesn't have much longer.
Jesus. Kate!
David?
I'm here, hon.
Ej,
I'm
a
right here.
były
What
seks...
the hell happened?
Były
She's
seksy?
been shot.
Nie, nie było seksu
We got the
chyba.
bullet out, but she's still bleeding.
Albo były? Nie pamiętam.
We need your doctor. Now, David.
Nie, nie było. Chyba całowańska nie było
Thanks,
nawet.
Javi, for getting her here. She's coming inside!
She hasn't been checked.
This is my wife, Max. You want her to die?
No, I didn't say that.
Our doctor's gonna help you, honey. I'm gonna make sure of it.
Wait, I'm going with you.
Sorry, but the rest of you have to go straight to quarantine.
What for?
All newcomers get checked for bites, and they all have to answer a couple of questions. Our doctor will clear the two of them, but the rest of you have to come with me to the quarantine holding area.
Nie, to jest Dawid's
It's how we keep it safe for
brother.
everyone.
Let me
Don't
in.
you get it? I'm David's brother. I'm going to the hospital with them.
We have procedures here, procedures that have to be followed,
O.
even if you are related to David.
Ah, this is bullshit.
Come on.
Dobra, to nie będziemy
I'll be
się
there as soon as I can!
rzucać. I zaś będzie konflikt
Let's
o
go.
baby. Zaś będzie, że to jest żona od tamtego, ale ona z nim bez mała tyn. i zaś będzie ona tylko wydobrzeje, bo obstawiam, że wydobrzeje i będzie konflikt zaś, że ona nie będzie wiedziała, czy ona chce do męża być z nim z powrotem, czy ona może by wolała z tym i oni pewnie będą się znienawidzą, będą się ciulać. Ja już wam mówię, ja już przewidziałem fabułę 2 epizody do przodu.
Trip.
Oh God, Eleanor!
Ale ja się nie
We found the
całowałem
car
chyba nawet.
without you in it. I didn't know what to think.
Nie
The
pamiętam.
engine up and died. I came here looking for help, and this happened. I've been so worried about Kate. I told them she needed a doctor. They promised me someone would look into it. Please,
they
tell
don't
me they found her.
give a shit.
You thought these people would give a shit about some stranger dying in their driveway.
Chyba, że baba kojfnie. To
I don't know, Javi. They knew she was dying.
Well, at least those assholes realized she needed a hospital once they saw her.
I'm sorry, Javi. Really, but I didn't have any reason not to believe them.
jesteśmy
What?
wiarygodni bardzo.
The people here in Richmond, they're New Frontier.
Oh my god.
Oh, you ain't even heard the worst part yet. One of them's his brother. I didn't even know you had a brother, Javi.
No i co z tego?
So he's my brother. So what? We haven't seen David in years. It's just been me, Kate, and the kids this whole time.
Nobody's implying anything, Javi.
Speak for yourself.
Whoever this guy is, he can't be all bad, right? I mean, he helped Kate instead of hauling her down here.
Of course he brought her inside. She's his damn wife.
You're kidding. Kate is married to your brother? The way you two acted around each other. I just didn't think she had a husband out there.
Jakby to powiedzieć.
all.
The only reason I know Kate is because she married David. I was the best man at their wedding.
Wow. Okay.
Wow.
Family drama aside, hope you know I'm not about to make nice.
Było
with New
całowanie?
Frontier.
Cytuję
I know you
ciebie,
didn't
a...
have much stake in
cheesecake.
Prescott, Javi, but they burned that place to the ground for no fucking reason.
After everything you folks told me, I'm guessing I'm not gonna find my people
Całowanie
alive.
to jeszcze nie
Hell,
zbrodnia, nie?
Javi. They killed your niece! Shot Kate!
To się liczy
For
jako
all we
zdrada.
know, your brother could have been behind it. And even if it wasn't his idea in the first place, if he knew about it and didn't stop it, that shit
I jest
can't
możliwe.
stand.
I hate to admit it, but there's a chance he gave the order. If
Jest
he didn't know
możliwe.
it was them, if he was just trying to get payback for what was stolen, it's possible.
Jest możliwe.
Clementine, you were part of the New Frontier. Did you know David?
I knew him. If I'm being honest, he's not a good guy.
Padł.
Is that right?
If you told me he was the one behind Prescott, I wouldn't be surprised.
A
You don't know
czym?
what you're talking about, Clem. He's a decent guy. I grew up with him. I should know.
People change.
What happened at the gates? The fact that he's your brother? That doesn't change anything. I'm gonna find the man who killed Francine. These people better not get in my way. I'm gonna be asking questions about what went down at Prescott. And I won't stop until
Wszyscy
I
jacyś
get
tacy
answers.
w
As
gorącej
soon as I get
wodzie
a moment alone with David,
kompanii.
I'll get to the bottom of this. He can tell me what we're up against. He has to. Family's gotta be good for something, right?
Hey,
Hey,
I would have been here sooner, but I had to take care of something.
Aha. A nie.
Come on,
Myślałem, że
already.
już...
Kate's asking.
Myślałem, że już... Już jest...
Maybe you think it's okay to keep a
Już
lady
jest
waiting.
smród.
what about the rest of my friends?
They're not invited. Hurry up now.
Looks like the rules don't apply to everyone, huh?
That's right. Some people get out of here early. Others stay a long fucking time.
Trip. Just drop it, okay?
Drop it.
Smart cookie, this one.
Przepraszam, ale
Javi,
się skojarzyło.
just go.
Dobra, pys, byćcie tu, a ja
I'll be
idę.
back as soon as I can. You
I'll
know
be
that.
back. Tak go do Terminator.
Thanks.
I'll be back. No, mężem nie był dobrym, ale... Nie wiem, ciężkie życie. O, ta jest wcurwiono. Modo Clementine. O, i to jak? O, osiągnięcie dostałem. Southern Hospitality. Południowa gościnność.
Family must be good for something. Nice, Javi. We have a process. Our own way of doing things. Your guys better not have a problem with that. Things don't go well for troublemakers here. I hope that's clear.
Happy to be here.
Of course not. We're happy to be here. It's good to see you alive, brother.
Same here. Come on.
Bardzo to brzmi wszystko tak. Bardzo są do siebie szczerze życzliwi. No, a może coś tam ta sypła już w
Where are we
gorączce.
going?
Powiedziała,
Kate asked for
że...
you. I thought you'd want to check on her.
No, o co ci chodzi, gościu? O co ci chodzi?
Listen, Javi, Gabe. He told me some pretty messed up things. Things I need your help wrapping my head around.
I don't know what Gabe's been telling you.
You saying he's a liar?
He's been through a lot. Sometimes he blurs reality and fiction.
I doubt he'd blur his sister's death. He told me you lost Mariana. Just a few days ago.
Przecież to nie ja
I'm
wiem,
sorry, David. She's gone.
Co ja mam z tym wspólnego? Przecież to jego
It's strange grieving for the same person twice.
ludzie.
Like losing something you didn't know you had. What was she like, Javi? She was so little when we got separated. Who did my little girl
Ja
become?
nie wiem, co mu powiedzieć. She kept us going.
We got along well. Her smile kept me going through a lot of rough times.
That must have been nice. How did she die? Tell me how it happened.
Nie no, tak sobie nie
Please, I
powiemy.
need to know.
She went quickly, David. Without pain.
Gabe said it was people, not walkers.
People with your mark.
My people aren't in the habit of killing little girls.
David, I was there. They shot Kate too. Ask your buddy at the gate if you don't believe me.
Max was a part of this?
Będą dymy.
Fuck.
Nie, ale brzydko.
I need details. What the hell went down out there? I need to
No
know
co,
exactly what
zabili
happened.
tego zakładnika.
Everything you remember.
Same assholes killed a hostage at this town, Prescott.
Prescott. At the airstrip?
Their leader flooded it with walkers and tear gas.
Leader?
A crazy bald guy with a beard.
Badger. What the fuck have you done now? I'm gonna handle that stupid son of a bitch, okay? Do me a favor. Keep this to yourself. The politics here, they can get messy.
I thought you were the boss.
There's 4 of us that run Richmond. You need to impress the other 3. Or you'll be back on the road by morning.
To jest komuna jakaś tam w tej bazie. O Boże. Dobra, ja będę grzeczny,
I can be
posłuszny.
impressive when I try. I'll follow your lead.
Just don't get cute.
Okej.
I run security here, but it's not like my word is law. This shit with Badger doesn't make things any easier.
A, to jest ta
Who's the
baba.
fresh meat?
Ava, this is my brother, Javi.
Co się...
Baseball brother? No shit. What are the chances of you turning up on the doorstep? Welcome to civilization.
Ciekawe, co mnie powiedział.
My brother talked about me.
All the time at the start.
All good, I hope.
I think you know the answer to that.
Okej.
Ava's my right hand. If there's anyone you can trust in Richmond, it's her.
Najmniej seksowna kobieta na świecie. No. Bardzo mało.
That woman, the fucking soldier. She was the first person I met up with after you and me got separated. I never would have made it without her. Gabe said you went back to the house. At the start. I'm sorry I never found you.
A, daj spokój. Co się będziemy
Doesn't matter now.
wadzić?
We found each other in the end.
It matters to me. Mama and I got routed out of the city on the way to the hospital. It wasn't long before she...
Poor Mama.
I couldn't get back into Baltimore, so I hooked up with my old unit. We thought we could build a safe zone outside D.C. After what happened to Mama and everyone else, I thought you were all dead. But you were taking care of them, weren't you? Somehow you found a way.
No i...
I'm not gonna lie. I never thought you had it in you.
We took care of each other. And we all had each other's backs.
You've changed, brother. Took the end of the world, but you finally grew up.
No i mam brodę nawet i w ogóle. Jestem poważny. Jestem poważnym...
This is where they're treating Kate.
Kim?
Don't get comfortable. We're not staying long.
Jestem poważny. Ej, a dadzą mi tu w ogóle łazić w tym dodatku, czy to będą tylko dialogi? O, jest babon.
Hey!
Hey, kid. Got everything you need?
Yeah. This place is like a resort. Check it out, Javi. Noodles in a cup.
We need to get you some real food.
Nudle w kubku.
Turn you into a soldier.
A tutaj jest, kurde,
Javi, I'm glad you're okay.
uczucie wyższe. Tak przy
A lot
mężu.
better seeing you.
Uuu.
Damn, it's good to have you back. Look at this family. Look at my wife. Isn't she the most beautiful woman alive?
Come on. With the lights off, you could mistake me for a walker.
A damn fine walker.
Nie wiem co tu gadać.
Have to agree.
The key word being alive.
Gabe.
Gabe dopierdolił jak zwykle.
What, you okay?
My...
Shit. I'll get the doc.
To będzie...
I'm fine. I just needed to talk to you.
O kurde bele. Co to są za oszustwa?
I'm scared, Javi. More than I was the whole time on the road. Even when I thought I was going to die, everything inside me screams to get away from here. These people are killers. And David? David threw his own
Nie wiem co
brother
mu
in a cell.
powiedzieć. Tak się też
Yeah, I know
czuję.
what you mean. This place gives me the creeps.
I'm glad to hear that.
Ah.
I was afraid you'd been won over by the security here. It's always been you and me on the road, Javi. That's how we've made it this far. Please, promise me we'll go back to that the first chance we get. This place, it's a cage.
A co z Dawidem?
We can't let ourselves get locked in.
I hear you, Kate, but we can't just turn our backs on this place. On my brother.
Javi.
We have to try to make it work.
I used to say that about my fucked up marriage. Guess it still applies. Whatever. Just, please. Please don't leave me alone for too long.
Coś będzie. Mówię wam, ja się znam.
Feeling better?
How you doing, sweetheart? David reported some pain.
O, jaki straszny.
It's less now.
Strange how it just comes and goes.
Może to
seem normal.
delirious, może ma delirę.
She was rambling a bit. Yeah, I think she's delirious.
Well, she seems cogent now.
Nie uwierzył.
But it's nothing to be alarmed about. Pain often comes in waves with abdominal wounds.
Spojrzenie takie...
I'll give you something to take the edge off, in case it comes back. Truly superlative work. I thought I'd have to operate, but all she needed was IV fluids and some antibiotics. How did you find someone with skills like these? A wound like this kills 9 out of 10. Whoever did this really knows their stuff.
Nie, źle
We got
klikłem.
lucky.
O, te pierwsze
We met
miałem
a group with a
kliknąć.
medic, Eleanor, just before Kate got shot.
Źle.
The same group in quarantine now.
She's there now? We should let her out. I'll vouch for her.
Agreed. I'll have Ava bring her here.
I want to meet this Eleanor. I'm sure she'll be an asset to our community.
No dobra.
The rest of those guys can contribute, if that's what it takes to get free. They're all pretty handy in a fight.
That's why they're all under guard. Javi and I have to go meet some people now. See if we can't prove he's worth the damn. We're gonna take real good care of you. Okay?
Send my apologies, David.
Co to za chora
I won't be able to
akcja
make-
jest? Co to jest?
Feeling okay?
Fine. I just want to keep an eye on my patient. The others know my vote is with you.
Come on. Remember what I said. When we meet these guys, keep what happened to Mariana to yourself. Badger is one of my guys, and I will handle him.
Lol, jaki przeskok muzyki dziwny. On nie gada, ona się na brata patrzy. No bo, no wiemy co tu jest grane, no wiemy co tu się odbywa. To jest po prostu, no to jest skomplikowana sytuacja. Można nawet powiedzieć, że to jest bardzo skomplikowana sytuacja. Very complicated situation. Trzeba będzie się brata pozbyć. Tak żeby się nikt nie skapnął, ale... Ała.
It may look pretty, but it's all sugars. There's no substance.
It tastes pretty, Clint. That's all that matters. Ah, the brother.
Javi, meet the guys. Clint runs food production. The
No
crops
siema.
you saw, that's him and his people.
No, nie oddałbym mu dziecka
Jones, our
pod
bridge to
opiekę.
the outside world.
Jej też.
She handles contact with other settlements.
Pleased to meet you, Javi. I trust you've been treated well. I hope you haven't been handled too roughly. Some of our people left their
can't
courtesy with their old
complain.
lives.
No complaints here. I get that you guys have a way of doing things.
Thank you. We have to be careful. I'm sure you can understand. We were just about to eat. Clint was trying to convince me of the essential superiority of his cream spinach over my magnificent Black Forest gâteau.
It's no contest. The spinach has real nutritional value.
Javi, take a look at that table. You tell me what you'd rather put in your belly. Spinach from Clint's garden
Co bym raczej zjadł?
or a baked delicacy
A ja lubię i
by
ciasto
yours
i
truly?
szpinak też lubię bardzo.
Everything looks so good. I want it all.
So polite, David. You sure he's your brother?
Can't trust a diplomat. Always saying one thing and thinking another.
Please, make yourself comfortable.
Ładnie odpowiedziałem, nie?
We value straight talk here, so please, forgive me if I seem direct. We're usually pretty strict about who we open our doors to. Your brother's word counts for a lot.
Is that so?
The three of us and Dr. Lingard make all the decisions here, so yeah.
People who choose to stay with us, they have to deal with us bossing them around. Not saying you wouldn't, but it can be an adjustment. Especially for the more independent-minded. There's no structure
ja
out
się
there now.
dostosuję, spokojnie.
People get used to doing as they please.
Easy, easy.
I always do what I'm told. Ask my older brother.
You're gonna fit in well, Javi. I can see that
A
already.
ja tak będę gadał, a robił
When
będę co
Joan and I
innego.
met your brother, he was trying his hand at fruit.
Fruit?
We found him slowly murdering an orchard on the Shenandoah River.
Howdy fucking ha.
I helped him bring it back to life.
We had a good run there.
For as long as it lasted.
What happened?
What always happens. We trusted the wrong damn people. That's what led us to start this. Wondering what this fine piece of body art is all about?
No ja
It's our
wiem, co to
litmus
jest.
test for loyalty.
I've seen that mark a few times.
You probably saw it at the gates. Right, Javi?
We all took it as a sign of commitment. It was a crude answer to a difficult problem, and it hasn't always worked. Please understand. We had a terrible winter just after we moved here. We lost a great deal. Loved ones who left holes in our lives. Protecting my people from that kind of pain, that's what keeps me awake at night. It turned me into a perpetual night owl. I know it's a lot to ask,
Pani, ja wiem jak
but
to
I
jest.
never want them to have to
Też nie śpię w
experience
nocy.
loss like that again.
I know how you feel. Seeing the people I care about suffer, it's a terrible feeling. I just want to shield them from it all.
It's a noble aim, one worth fighting for.
Fizolofy.
Max? What are you doing here?
I sent for him.
Since when does he answer to you?
From what I hear, he's well acquainted with your brother. They exchanged a few bullets outside our walls.
No i dym.
Is that right? Is there bad blood between you and Max?
Nothing that can't be worked out.
Nie,
I
nie ma,
want to hear that from Hub.
nie ma problemu.
I don't have a problem with him. He's all right by me.
Tak jak brat kazał.
Yeah, same here.
O!
I don't buy it. Max, how did this start?
Don't look at him. You have an obligation to tell the truth.
No ale przecież powiedzieliśmy. Naprawdę. Nie zmyślam.
We caught him siphoning gas from one of our vehicles.
Max.
Sorry, David. I know he's family, but your brother's a thief.
Is it true?
Answer her. Did you
Ja nie
steal
wiem,
gas
dobra,
from
będę
us?
tak
I
trochę...
was scavenging whatever I could find. I had no idea it belonged to you.
If you just asked, we'd have given it to you.
Ja! Na pewno.
That's not all. He shot Rufus. In the back.
You did what?
We found the body near the wreck of Rufus's truck.
A ja będę się ten...
That never happened. It's your word against mine.
The only difference is, I got no reason to lie.
This is who you're asking us to vouch for, David? Seriously? You know we can't just open our doors to killers.
No to
We're
ja
trying
zaraz,
to build something
kurde...
different here. Something resembling civilization.
Everything I did out there was to protect my people. That's more than I can say for you.
I'm not sure what you mean.
Javi?
Zaraz
You have something to
wywalę
say?
prawdę, kurde. A i kurde powiem.
One of your people, some asshole called Badger, he put a bullet in a little girl, my niece, David's daughter.
What?
Damn it, Javi, I told you I'd
No
handle
i
it. No,
elo.
David, this cousin fucking dirtbag has the balls to accuse me? He and Badger destroyed an entire town.
That's enough!
No. We need to hear this.
Go on, Javi. Sounds like you've got more to get off your chest.
No wszystko zrobili z...
They used tear gas. There was nothing left of Prescott when they were done.
Badger did that. Not me.
You were right there next to him.
I tried to get him to stop, I swear.
David, we warned you about getting your soldiers in line.
We don't know all the facts.
We know enough.
She's right, David. You've lost control.
I want them gone. All of them. Take Javi and everyone in the quarantine to the gate. Send them out with enough weapons to defend themselves, but no more.
Aha. Tego się nie
Look, we can't
spodziewałem w
fight
sumie.
this. Not now. Kate and Gabe will be safe here, your doctor friend too. But the rest of you, you're gonna have to do what they say. I'm sorry.
I can't leave Kate and Gabe alone.
They won't be alone. I'll be here to take care of them. I can't help you now, but maybe I can down the road. Just stay alive. Okay?
LOL? Nie ma opcji. Kolego. Czekajcie, zaraz będzie opcja. Mam nadzieję wykręcenia jakiegoś numeru, żeby to odwrócić. To nie tak. This is not how it's supposed to be. Nie daję na to pozwoleństwa. Nie tego się spodziewałem.
Oh, what the fuck? We didn't do anything.
Aha.
I might do something here in a minute.
David packed this.
He did. They said...
Start walking.
Aha.
What about Eleanor?
Walk.
Eat shit. Answer my fucking question. God damn it, Javi! Let go of me!
This isn't her fault, Trip. You're mad at the wrong person.
LOL?
Do not fuck this up. There's a settlement a few miles west of here. don't come back.
Kuwa, było nie gadać. Trochę nie tak to miało być. O, jest. O.
Seems your moment alone with David screwed us over pretty good. We trusted you.
To wyszło.
Look, we're not dead. That's something, okay?
Wyszło
Not yet, anyway.
dokładnie na opak, tak jak bym chciał.
Knowing them, it's probably a butter knife and a
A
stick
tam
of gum.
pewnie nic nie będzie dobrego.
Oh, how fucking neighborly.
Dobra, no poka.
What's that?
Looks like a map. I doubt they give one to everyone. Ava did say David packed a bag.
Why the hell is it tied to a baseball bat?
David's sense of humor was always poorly timed.
To jest ten mój kij baseballowy z tej chałupy. Nie, chyba nie. Nie wiem. Co to jest?
Okay. There's Richmond. That helps.
But we can't go back there.
Knowing where it is lets us know where we are. Looks like they're expanding. Some of these areas are marked clear.
A co to?
Pretty sure David wants us to go there. And if this is us here, then I think we can head along this path. Just gotta head north. And to find north,
we need to find the North Star.
Albo mech na drzewach. To będzie najjaśniejsza chyba, nie? Nie wiem, która to. Wszystkie świecą jasno. To będzie ta pewnie.
That's it. We need to go this way. What else is in there?
Poważnie?
Not a whole
Ja
lot.
myślałem, że...
Flashlight. Not enough weapons. No food.
No, to nam dali. Broń.
Deal with it.
To chyba nie była ta. Ja myślałem, że jak się kliknie, to on coś powie tylko. A nie, że on tam od razu będzie chciał iść.
Take it.
Co za głupota.
Please. Take it. Call it an apology.
Na
That
końcu
man back
dysz...
there in the tunnel,
Jezu, to ja nie wiem takich rzeczy.
that wasn't me.
I...
Take the gun.
Źle pójdziemy.
Conrad, don't let the past get in the way of common sense. Give him the gun, Javi.
I can find something along the way.
Ja biorę
Always
gada.
have. All right then.
Nobody fires a single shot unless you are deep fucking fried. You hear me?
Co
We
ty
don't
się
want to attract
rządzisz?
whatever the hell's out there.
Właśnie było look at, a nie go this way, czy coś go, nie wiem. No i cała gra zdupiona, bo złą gwiazdę klikłem. Kurde. Może się pokapują, że źle idziemy.
I gotta tell you, man. I thought you and Kate were, you know. I wouldn't have guessed she was married to not you. I
No.
ain't judging, mind you. I'm just curious. What's the story? Ain't my business. I know, but what have we got to lose out here?
She's my brother's wife. She's family. End of story.
Come on, man. You're not a dumbass. When it comes to these kind of things, the story never really ends. Not for everyone, at least. It's always a mess, ain't it?
Yeah.
What's that?
Who you love, who loves you, if they're one and the same or otherwise.
To jest very...
You know what I mean?
This is complicated.
It's just when you think you got everything figured out.
Yeah, you're right. Goddamn mess.
And it never quite washes out.
Yeah. Jakieś
I know
życiowe
Eleanor told
przemyślenia.
you that she and I were whatever we were, but that's over now. I respect her wishes. I really do.
To jest telenowelowy jakiś ten
Wish my
epizod.
heart respected mine.
Mega telenowelowy. Dużo gadania o miłości i o
Jesus got his eye on something.
tego typu rzeczach. Jeszcze mi nie dali pochodzić ani na chwilę.
What you got for us, man?
Listen. Tell me that isn't what I think it is.
About a quarter mile out. Heading the same way we are.
Well, we could hit walkers any second. We better scoot.
Walkers! Get ready. They're near.
No dobra.
Okay, look alive, people. I got him.
Bang! Bang!
Batter up, fuckface.
Bang!
Come on, man. Move your ass.
You want a piece of this?
Nie tak! Nie tak! Saved?
You should be more careful with this. Where even now?
This is a bad idea.
Bo idziemy pod złą gwiazdę.
Right into a herd. All we know, he's trying to get rid of us.
Come on, Clem. He's my brother.
You can't trust him, Javi. I learned that the hard way. I never wanted to need people again, but I had nowhere else to go. The New Frontier gave me this and made me one of them. They promised they'd help him. That turned out to be a lie.
O, flashback z Wietnamu. Oj, to taki fest.
They're gonna get you the medicine you need, AJ.
A to jest AJ.
I don't care what they say.
A! Aha. Uważaj.
Nothing to worry about, little guy. We're gonna get you better.
Szczympysk. Ja mam dobre podejście do dzieci. Wankomycin. Co? Biera. A jest. A mogliśmy mu suple w tego szyknąć.
Hang in there, goofball. This is gonna get you better.
O curwa. Ja mu zrobię zaszczyk, a ja wiem jak to będzie. A on wydrze pysk i się pokapują.
Clem.
Dr. Lingard, what's the matter with you?
I'm fine. Clem, please don't. The vancomycin. That's the last of it. It'll be wasted on AJ. I told you. It could save someone's life if used right. It's too valuable to throw away.
It's the only thing that can save him.
Except it can't.
Aha.
I'm sorry, Clem. I tried everything. I really did.
This will help him get better.
Nothing can help your boy now. Clem, put the drugs back before anyone finds out you took them. You know what they do to thieves here.
Sorry.
I have to try. Come on, Goofball.
Be brave, little boy.
Be brave for me now, okay?
Będzie Daria na 100.
See? It's not so bad.
Rozedrze się. Jak stare prześcieradło.
AJ!
What the hell is this?
I told her it was a bad idea.
You fucking high again? Pull yourself together before the others see you. Deal with the damn kid. What the fuck were you thinking? You were told those drugs couldn't help him. How could you be so stupid?
Did you think I would just give up on him? AJ is everything to me, David. I'd do anything to keep him alive.
Except there's nothing left to do. That waste? That'll cost someone's life down the road. Someone in this camp. Someone who contributes to our survival.
Come on, David. She was just trying to help her kid.
We helped enough! We should have left him out in the woods a week ago!
But look, it's helping!
It doesn't work that way, Clem. You bought him a peaceful moment. Nothing more. I wish I could tell you it would save him.
That's more than you did, any of you. That's not fair.
You ungrateful little shit! We opened our arms to you, made you one of us. This is how you repay us? By stealing? By putting yourself before the group? You're done here. You broke our rules, Clem. Violated our trust.
To jest odpowiedź,
There's no
to
place
jest
for you in the
odpowiedź.
new
Fuck
frontier.
you.
You know what? Fuck you! And fuck the new frontier!
You already did. That's why you have to go.
Maybe we should give her another chance.
Don't fight me on this, Paul. You know what Joan would say if she were here. I'm sorry, Clem. You brought this on yourself.
Come on, AJ. We don't need this place anyway.
He stays. Can't take him with you. That ship has sailed.
No chyba cię pierę, gościu.
I'm not leaving without him.
AJ can't travel. All we can do now is make him comfortable.
I'm not leaving without him.
Let him go, Clem. He'll only drag you down out there. It's what's best for both of you.
Ale o co im chodzi w ogóle?
No! You monsters! What about this? What was it all for? Don't forget, I'm one of you.
Not anymore.
Let her say goodbye. We owe her that much, at least.
Fine. You heard her.
Say what you need to say, then you go.
Nie, bez przesady.
Please don't make me regret this.
Romantiko.
I love you, Goofball. I love you.
Come on, Clem.
No to elo. Shots fired. Dostałem takie osiągnięcie. Ciekawe co by było, jakbym nie dał tego leku.
I thought AJ would be the one. Finally.
The one what?
The one who didn't die.
A, przytulimy.
My little goofball. He was the only family.
Jaki przeskok dziwny kamery. To był pierwszy moment w tym epizodzie jakiś taki trochę emocjonalny, tak szczerze mówiąc, tak trochę. Reszta to taka jakaś jest dziwna. Strasznie niespójne to jest. Jep!
If too many of them push against this, it might give. Gotta find a way in.
We got it.
Here they come.
Fuck! I can raise it a little, but something's wrong with it. Jammed or some shit.
Maybe we can force it open.
We're gonna have to.
No raczej. Wow, mogę łazić.
Locked.
Shit. Look for another way in. It's our only chance.
Oh man, this thing ain't as strong as we thought. Hurry
Dobra. Dobra, czekaj.
Well, there's a car with no wheels.
Shit! God damn it!
Co ty tam masz? Bier to! No dobra, no. Nie spinaj się. Luzuj warkocz.
That's it. Won't go any higher. Everyone get in.
Abby, go!
Guys, get in!
Let's go, Conrad!
Conrad, come on!
Conrad.
Nie, to takie głupie było.
Hey, I'm here! David!
Don't you dare let that fucking baby killer in.
LOL? Co na to?
Don't make me do this.
Clem.
Don't do it, Javi.
Hey, open up!
He'll die.
Dobra.
He deserves worse.
Puszczam go.
He has a son, Clem.
Ma broń przynajmniej.
Just like you did.
The fuck?
Open it.
Clem trochę wsurwia momentami.
Hello again, Clementine.
Niech se dadzą po pysku.
How did you get caught up in all this?
Ask your brother.
She's trouble.
Dobra.
She's with me. I owe her my life.
She told us some pretty rancid stuff about you, man.
What did she say?
That you left her to die.
No, We kicked her out.
A little girl, all alone out there. Do you think Mariana could have survived that?
We had rules.
Mocne słowa.
Clem broke them. I would have done the same to anybody. She knew what would happen. Don't feel sorry for her.
To anybody, huh? You broke the rules for Kate and Gabe.
And I'll accept the consequences. Unlike her.
Did he suffer? Please. I have to know.
No. I wouldn't have let him. But I didn't have to worry about that. He lived, Clem. He lived.
But how? He was dying. Clem said so.
AJ bounced back. He was stronger than we thought. It was a miracle.
You're lying.
Kurwa, nie wiem. Nic mi nie pasuje w
I
sumie.
know, it sounds like I'm trying to save my own skin. Clementine, please, I'm telling the truth.
Where? Where is AJ now?
I don't know for sure.
But he's in Richmond?
Dr. Lingard took care of the boy. He'll know how to find him.
Then I'm going back.
None of us are going anywhere until the walker's clear. What's your plan, David?
We used to store a vehicle up this way. Provisions. I came to get you set up.
And?
And say goodbye. I don't want you to worry about Kate and Gabe. I'll take care of my family from now on.
Niestety nie mogę się na to zgodzić.
Not happening, David. They're my family as much as yours.
Is that what you think? Yes. Last I checked, Kate was my wife and Gabe was my son.
Ale to było dawno.
Board it up.
Yep.
We need something to buffer. Something heavy.
There! Help me!
Wait a half second. Where'd you find this?
Over there.
Show me.
Ale... Property of Prescott... Coś tam.
What the hell is all this?
A tam w środku będą nielegalni emigranci.
Don't want to just take them, but...
I might be going crazy, but... I think these came from Prescott.
No, było podpisane.
That's Phantom Punch.
I don't understand how all this got here.
Like you don't know.
Hey, none of this stuff was here before. I don't have a damn thing to do with it. We've only ever kept a few basic supplies here for scouts, for emergencies.
Whoever did this, they have to be stopped.
Damn right they do. Soon as we find out who.
Who else knew about this place?
Your outfit is the only one that gutted my town.
This is bigger than just Prescott. There's spoils from other towns here, too. Towns I heard got raided a while back. There's stuff here from the kingdom.
Look how many there are already. Goddamn herd's nearly on us. Hurry the fuck up. You hurry up. Wouldn't be in this mess if you hadn't gone all trigger happy on David's family.
Take cover.
No to wpytę.
Fuck him. I'd do that little bitch again just to see her head pop.
You sure as hell are stupid, ain't you?
You only just realizing that now?
I told you. Joan is on the warpath. Last
Tego
thing we
trzeba...
need is people getting wind of all
Tego
this
trzeba
stuff.
odjebać.
Look at all this shit. We're frickin' rolling in it.
I'll give you that.
Just glad we found some more smokes. That shit is the new gold.
And now we get to see your head pop, you piece of shit.
Kurwa mać, trzeba to było zabrać.
I thought better of you, Max. I really did.
Dobra, walimy go na ryj.
Come on, man. We're a unit.
There's no need for...
Było walić na ryj.
Stop him! He's getting away!
Dzięki Seto, pozdro. Było walić na ryj, jak był czas. Z buta wjeżdżam. Kubkiem! O stary, nie ma opcji. O! No, dzięki.
Ever since the junkyard, you've been nothing but a fly in my ointment.
No panie, nie ma takiej opcji.
I'd have shoved that gas can down your throat and lit you up like a candle. But this'll do.
Dobra, elo.
Fucking Garcias.
Zdech?
You shook my goddamn guts out. Fuck.
Oj, elo.
This is for Mariana. She was a sweet little girl, just minding her own business.
Not anymore.
Co za Franca?
Fuck her. And fuck you too. Get it over with. Come on. What are you waiting for? We've got to move.
No soreczka, ale no... Trochę przykro wyszło, no ale dobra. Trochę to zbrutalizowali, powiem wam. Tak... Ojej.
That's enough, man. He's gone. For God's sake, Bobby!
Sorry, ja muszę być
Get a
pewny.
goddamn hold of yourself. I hope that made you feel better.
He's all yours.
Stop! Please!
Raiding, looting, you betrayed who we are. You betrayed Richmond.
Come on, David. This is Richmond.
What's that supposed to mean? What's that supposed to mean?
I ain't got nothing to say.
Start talking, or I promise you, you're gonna scream.
Okay, take it easy.
I'm waiting.
Come on, man. It wasn't like we were doing this by ourselves. Joan was in on it. We did it on her orders. She said we needed it to survive. I wanted to let you in, but she told me you'd never go for it. I'm sorry.
It is too late for sorry, you backstabbing shitbag.
Please, don't kill me. I'll help you. I'll tell everyone in Richmond about this. I'll help you get back inside. Expose her to the
Soreczka,
others.
taki mam humor dzisiaj.
I'm begging you.
Ja się dzisiaj w tańcu nie pierdolę. Można było zauważyć.
Where's Lonnie?
He gave us the slip. Hightailed it back towards Richmond.
Son of a bitch. If he warns Joan...
What about the other two? Oh.
What? It's good riddance. That son of a bitch killed Mariana.
Did that make you feel better?
I wouldn't shed any tears if I were you.
Szczerze mówiąc,
Maybe I'm shedding them
tak.
for your brother.
You're damn right it did. Bastard deserved everything he got.
Be careful, Javi. Act like a beast. You risk what makes you human.
Jesus.
Don't become the thing
Wept.
you hate.
That man shot his niece right in front of him.
I would have done the same, Javi. Sometimes there's just no other way to make things right. My friend took a crowbar to someone once.
My people need to know about what we found here.
What about your missing friends?
I'm surprised you care. Human life isn't exactly high on your list of priorities. Don't have time to keep looking. They'd want me to get home and warn them. So that's what I'm gonna do. Sooner the
Nie,
better.
no zostań, on jest spoko
You sure
fighter.
you won't stay? We need your help.
So do others. I won't forget about you. You have my word.
It's a
Jesus,
shitstorm
Jesus
out
is
there,
concrete
man.
fighter.
I don't see how you're gonna make it.
One step at a time.
We need to get back to Richmond fast. I have loved ones in there.
We both do.
Ja... A.
I gotta break Eleanor out of there. Once she's safe, I'm gonna tell her how I feel. Hey, if the mess never washes out, might as well get neck deep.
We're gonna need allies in Richmond. Lingard and Clint, they're our best bet. If I can get to them before Joan does, maybe we have a chance. I know I was ready to say goodbye before, but I can't do this without you. Can I count on you? I won't be able to pull this off myself.
A ja to zrobię dla Kate.
I'll back you up. But I'm doing this for Kate, not you.
Fine. As long as we get it done. If Lonnie raises the alarm, they'll be waiting for us at the gates. There's a way in round back that'll get us around any sentries. We can take Badger's truck.
I doubt he'll mind.
Come on, we gotta get on the move. Herd's closing in.
To będzie koniec, obstawiam. Za chwilę. Tak już czasowo mniej więcej wychodzi. No z gulika wyłażą.
I'm thinking this will go a lot better if we split up. A group this big can't exactly sneak around, particularly if they're expecting us.
Eleanor's in there somewhere. I'm going after her.
Lingard brought her to the clinic. That's your best bet. Javi, that's where you'll go to get Kate and Gabe. Then bring them to my house. It's the one with the raven on the hitching post. We'll all meet up there. After I pay a little visit to Joan. Stay out of sight.
No to
They'll be keeping an eye out for us.
Patrzcie tam
As soon
jako.
as I can get Kate and Gabe, we'll see you back at the house.
Roger that.
I'll scout ahead.
What about you, Clem?
I'm pretty sure I've still got some friends in the New Frontier. If they know where AJ's being held, they'll tell me. As soon as I find him, taking that truck and getting the hell out of here.
Well, you are owed a vehicle.
Keep an eye on David. He may be playing nice, but I'd still watch your back.
No i masz rację, no.
I'm with you, Clem. He rubs me the wrong way. As soon as I get Kate and Gabe, I'm gonna figure out what's best for us.
Well, I hope it involves getting far away from here. Family means something different now. You have to make it for yourself.
Kiedy oni jedzą albo piją? Nie muszą.
See you when I see you.
Oni się żywią
David said to hang a ride up at that corner.
energią
Seems
miłości.
clear so far.
Let's move.
No jeszcze nie koniec jednak. Coś się... Zaraz będzie akcja jakaś. Zaraz będzie jakaś akcja, mówię wam. Coś się zdupczy. Na stówę. Jakiś przyps będzie.
You know Javi Garcia? Used to play shortstop for Baltimore.
That Javier Garcia? That's who we're looking for?
Yeah, that Javier Garcia.
A to ja.
Anyway, sounds like some paranoid horse shit. Guy's a fucking ball player.
There's the medical center.
Gonna go ninja his way back in here and stir up trouble.
We go in, we get Elle, we get Kate and Gabe, we get out.
What about our friends there? Doesn't exactly look like a welcoming committee.
All right, let's hang out here for a while. Smoke break.
Damn it. We need a distraction. How's your throwing arm?
Panie, perfekta immobiliara. Zobejrzysz.
What the fuck?
Shit, we need to get the fire crew or that shit could burn down the block.
Ha.
You couldn't have just taken out a window.
Did the trick, didn't it?
A, mogłem okno, okej. Z grubej ruły trochę. Kim się gra w trzecim sezonie? Gra się Javierem. Nie było go w poprzednich sezonach, ale przewijają się też postacie z wcześniejszych sezonów. Generalnie akcja się zazębia. Przeważnie. Ale historia jest tak jakby nowa. No i teraz...
Find Elle. Tell her we have to move Kate.
You got it. I'll meet you here.
Javi!
No i...
We thought you were...
This is it.
I was super worried.
Byłem super, byłem
a lot.
super zmartwiony.
Hey, buddy. I'm
Super,
fine. I'm
super
just fine.
zaniepokojony.
They said you guys were denied entry.
It's true. We're on borrowed time. The people who run this place, they're ruthless. We have to move.
Where's my dad? Is he coming?
No tak się potem,
Don't worry,
potem.
We're gonna go meet up with him.
Potem.
Excuse me?
David has a house in town. He thinks we'll be okay there.
Then let's go.
Wait, Javi?
A ona tak...
While you were gone, this woman, Joan, came by. I felt like she was sizing me up. It was creepy. She implied David was in trouble. Like he was no longer in charge. She kept saying Gabe and I didn't need to worry, but it only made me worry more. I got a bad feeling from her.
Dawid se da
She's
radę.
a scary lady. But don't worry. David's gonna handle her. He knows what to do.
Scary how?
The people who shot you answer to her. She ordered raids on other settlements. We found all this stuff from Prescott.
She was behind Prescott?
David's rounding up allies to confront her right now.
Javi, I know you wanted to try it here, but this isn't our fight. We already lost Mari because of these people. Now, the whole place is about to become a war
want
zone.
you safe.
What?
Boże,
What do you mean?
jaki ja jestem
The only thing I
romantyczny.
care about is keeping you safe.
Then you know we can't get involved.
What's going on? Tripp said we had to move to David's house.
We're not doing that. We're getting the fuck out of Richmond before it's too late.
Getting out? You shouldn't even be sitting up.
What? What about my dad?
A tam dead.
We can't just leave him.
A tam dupcy z mody.
Gabe, we don't even know who he is anymore.
Gabe,
We have to get away before he
proszę
gets us all
cię,
killed.
zawrzyj się. chłopie.
He won't know where we are.
Kurwa, jaki...
Again.
I can't go back to how things were before. I'm sorry. I just can't.
Dobra!
I'm sorry, Gabe. But we have to get out of here.
Uległem.
If we're leaving, I've got to get some things for the road. All my stuff is stashed in the room they gave me.
Uległech. Babie.
I'll come with you.
Zaś.
We'll catch up with you guys.
To znowu się dzieje. To znowu się dzieje w życiu. Ach, te baby, aż muszę zjeść galaretkę, bo nie wytrzymia. Dałem się zrobić. Bo się wczułem za bardzo i się zachowałem tak, jakbym się zachował w rzeczywistości pewnie.
I'm not going, Javi.
Trzeba było myśleć.
What?
Znaczy nie serce.
I'm gonna find my dad.
Jaki głupi.
I have to.
A dobra, a to idź.
Okay, buddy.
A to idź.
I respect that.
O, idź.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Gabe, no.
Kate.
No. Please, Gabe. Please. I never thought I could be a mom. I never thought I wanted to be a mom. Until I met you and your sister. I'm begging you. Don't do this.
It's my dad, Kate. I can't lose him again.
Ale to... No ale to...
And I can't lose you.
Ale to jest ojciec taki tylko na papierze, no przecież go długo nie było i w ogóle... Idziemy.
Kate, we need to go. Now.
Look at me, Gabe.
Gabe,
please.
Czy ty my... A, Gabe, czapka mu mózg chyba zgrzała. O, chcę do taty. A jak go 3 lata nie było, to jakoś se radzili normalnie. I co? I kurwa... Ojciec poszedł po papierosy, dokładnie. Wróci za 15 lat. No i irytujący gnój z głowy. A ta nie wygląda za dobrze, powiem wam.
It's his father, Kate. It's what he wants. And this is what you want. What we want.
Oh!
We got so close in the last few years. I thought Gabe would want to stay with us.
A tu taki
I really saw him as my kid. I guess he didn't feel the same way.
He's growing up fast, Kate. We have to trust him to do what's right.
W świecie pełnym zombie się dojrzewa szybciej, taka teza.
I know. It's just hard to say goodbye.
A tu... O, będzie coś? Znaczy nie, żebym ten...
I'd hold it there, folks.
Kurwa mać, nie o to nie
And I'd
chodziło.
consider explaining yourselves.
I can explain everything.
I talk fast and clear.
Could you please point those somewhere else?
That's him, right? The brother?
Nie.
Thought so. Bring him in.
To nie ja. Będzie akcja.
Kate, run!
Jezus Maria, jak to jest... Jaki to był zły pomysł bardzo. Już mu czujność zeszła od baby. O, życie, moi drodzy. Wypali w nią, ja też tak myślałem. Jakby ją tutaj zaszczelili, to bym chyba... to bym skis jak ogórek. Skiśnięty ogórek. No, czym będzie ogórek?
I don't like your tone, David.
Skwaszał.
If this is about your brother...
Don't pretend like you don't know what this is about. You've got a lot to answer for.
Me? You must be joking.
What's this?
They were trying to leave. Him and his lady friend.
Leave? I asked you to get Kate and Gabe safe, not tuck your tail and run. Were you really gonna desert me when I needed you most?
To nie tak jak myślisz.
Richmond's not safe. It's no place for an injured woman and a boy.
So you were just gonna leave me to it, huh? Where are they now?
Girl got away. No sign of the kid.
We'll deal with this later.
And despite what we all agreed, you smuggled your brother back into Richmond. What happened to you, David? It hurts me to see you betray your own people.
You've got some damn nerve.
We used to be so close.
Tu zaraz będą dymy.
Now I hardly know who you are.
Oh, you're one to talk. If anyone betrayed Richmond, it's you, Joan.
What are you people talking about?
So this is your play? First you accuse Badger, then you come after me.
Would someone please explain what's going on?
I can.
Lonnie?
Go ahead, Lonnie, tell us.
They attacked us. Murdered Max and Badger.
You son of a bitch.
They would have got me too. But I was lucky.
They would have killed us if they'd had the chance.
You admit murdering our people.
Those assholes were raiding other settlements, killing and looting on Joan's orders.
Is that true, Joan?
It's nothing but a smoke screen. A pretty damn transparent one, if you ask me.
Lonnie, please tell me this isn't true.
No, i co, Bambo?
We did that. Raided those communities.
No i tak.
Hurt those people. Because David told us to.
Co?
Not Joan. I'm sorry, David. I can't do this anymore. I can't hurt anyone else.
Kurwy święte.
You fucking liar! David had nothing to do with this.
No.
Nie, ja chciałem
I am done.
powiedzieć, nie, myślałem, że ja to dobra.
This is the first right thing I've done in a long time.
Mi się już jebe. Ta już wyszła. Ja...
He's covering for Joan.
David, just stop. We knew this couldn't last forever. We confronted him. Me, Badger, and Max. We were done. We let him know. He said he didn't need us anymore. Not with his brother here now. That's when Badger and Max...
That's enough!
David, stop!
Kurwa, jak zamotlali.
Paul, you have to stop her.
Jak
Or the blood
zamotlali.
from those raids, it's on your hands. Don't let Joan get away with this. Paul!
Kurwa, no ja nie wiem, co ja mam powiedzieć.
Grow a fucking backbone, please! Stand up for what's right!
I think you've caused enough trouble.
Don't try and drag him into your mess. The things you've done, they're an assault on what we built here. You and your brother, you're going to have to answer for them.
I still have friends here. Allies. This won't stand!
You brought this on yourself, David. I'm sorry to say it, but you're done here.
They were our family, David. How could you?
I'll give you family!
No i... Jak teraz skończę epizod... Owy curwy. No to podoba, widzimy się za pół roku w kolejnym. Dobra, tutaj byłem w większości. Tutaj byłem w dużej większości. Tutaj też byłem w większości. Tu byłem w mniejszości. Tu też byłem w mniejszości. No tak różnie. Game of Thrones. Thank you. Dadzą jakiś napis, aby thank you for playing? Aha, okej. No to teraz, jako że się to nagrywa nadal na YouTube'a, powiem wam jaka jest moja opinia. Epizod ten rozgrywaliśmy dokładnie godzinę 29 minut. Z czego fajne było ostatnie 29 minut, a pierwsza godzina to była telenowela, gdzie nie dali mi nawet połazić. Także no tym epizodem ostatnie pół godziny było fajne. Ale pierwsza godzina była bardzo mocno średnia. Po takim okresie długim to mam nadzieję, że następny będzie lepszy, bo no powiem wam mocno średnio, nie wiem. Ale na YouTubie to tyle. Dzięki za uwagę, zostawcie łapę w górę, wpadajcie na streamy, na Facebooka i elo Benz. Zachęcam do zostawienia komentarza z opinią pod spodem.